sing. By the quiet waters, my soul restored. Every step I take, I'm walking with the Lord. When the road gets rough and the night feels long, I can hear His voice saying, "Child, be strong. The Lord is my shepherd, I will not